Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Miguel Camilo. Before this, I was a genius at Apple and also had experience building a app with a tech startup called Emergency Ventures. And that app, after a while, made national news during the events of Hurricane Ian. And after that, I decided to start my journey here at Boca Code, and now I'm a full-stack software engineer. Woo. Feels good. Now, I want to go into the whys behind Budget Buddy. During my teenage years, I had a lack of financial education, either that be with family, that be with school. And during my senior year of high school, I only had one finance class, and that was economics. The information provided in that class was very vague. After that, I graduated. It was up to me to focus on my finances, and I struggled. Stay on top of budgeting, stay on top of saving goal, and tracking my expenses. So when I was building Budget Buddy, I kept those struggles in mind. So with Budget Buddy, you're going to be able to create a savings goal, track that progress, and track your expenses. And my personal favorite, you're going to be able to have a community forum where you'll have like-minded individuals sharing financial resources and financial tips. So let's take a look. So we're going to go ahead here, and we get to the landing page. We're going to go ahead and log in. And we're going to log in as Todd. So we're going to track Todd's expenses today. So we get here to our expenses dashboard. First thing let's go to lunch. It's afternoon. We're going to go to Todd's favorite. We're going to go to Mr. O1's.
Oh, yeah.
And in Boca fashion, we're going to spend a good $30 to $5 just for lunch. So I'm going to drop that in there.
Okay.
And as soon as I add that in there, you're going to notice the data populates on the right side. So this is going to allow users to visually see their expenses in an easier format. So let's say I want to focus in specifically on lunch or shopping. So I'm going to log these out, hide these, and I'm able to hover over these and see lunch, or actually shopping. $200 on shopping, $35 on lunch. Now, similar up top, just like we're going to track our income. We're going to go here. Let's say got some commission. We're going to say last week. I'm going to say $100, and the data populates just like above on the right side. And then let's take a look at our savings goal. So our savings goal, you're going to be able to create a savings card and track that progress. So let's say we want to buy shoes, buy the new Jordans, $250. We're going to create that, and the data populates at the bottom. So here, we got $100 we're going to put away. And we get that 40%. Family gave us $150. Now we're up at 100%. And we can, after we're done tracking that savings goal, we can delete it. And then let's go to the community forum. So the community forum, you're going to see a couple tips already posted by Todd with financing resources. And we're going to see at the bottom here.
Put it on my bill.
And yeah, we're going to see he's trying to be funny here. That's a horrible post, not a funny joke. We're going to go ahead and downvote that joke. And then here, let's go ahead and post. So we're going to say how to invest. We're going to pre-fill this here with a tip. And we're going to have some data there. We're going to post it. We're going to see it populates all the way down at the bottom. And since Todd posted that, let's go ahead and update that. And also the site is mobile responsive. So if you notice the setting cog on the top right turns to a menu, so it allows you to traverse between the app. So let's go ahead and sign out. Wrong one. Sign out there. And let's go back to our keynote. So for my tech stack, my database used in MongoDB, deployed on AWS, and my API built with Node and Express JavaScript, hosted on Google Cloud. My front end built with React and hosted on Google Cloud. And my personal favorite for styling, tail with CSS, as my peers know. And for security, I use Firebase authentication and SSL. For the future, this is a really important one. I'd love to add JWT security. For moderation, the last thing we want is misinformation being spread in the forum, and be able to create a budget limit. And that's Budget Buddy.